Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I am so excited for this video because I'm going to be trying a new Italian indie brand. They're not super new, but they are new to me, and I have the pleasure of trying them today because my dear friend Angelica Nyqvist sent me a package for my birthday, and she made me a little BYOP of We Makeup shadows, and I feel like it's such a fun gift. Like, thank you so much, Angie. I'm so appreciative. I'm so excited to try this brand. I love the color story that she chose. I feel like one of my favorite YouTubers made me a BYOP. Like, does it get cooler than that? So I'm so excited to show you guys the color story and get to try this brand with y'all because Angie's been raving about them, says that they're super underrated, and I might have made a small order, just a smidgen little order of some of their other things. So hopefully that'll come soon. Also, I'm guessing that these are Angie's favorite shades because she actually did the same color story for Karen as well as a late birthday gift to her. So I want to see these same shadows on more of a tan skin tone. I'm sure Karen at some point will film a video. I'm not sure when. Here is the color story. It is so beautiful. It's a mixture of blues, purple, and green, which I love all three. Unfortunately, there was a small casualty with this green shade right here, and it's actually really funny to me because somehow that shade made it from Italy to Sweden to me, and I broke it within 2 seconds because I dropped it on the floor. I am such a klutz, but everything else is perfect. All right, so let's jump into some swatches. First, we have the shade 309, 136, and then 134. So these are all just numbered. They don't have names. I like literally drew a little sheet so that I could keep track of it. But there, okay, I feel like that was really pretty. I don't think I got enough pressure in there. That's the inner corner shade for sure. Kind of has a little bit of a green iridescence to it, but the shine is really pretty. We've got a sky blue matte and a lavender matte. Okay, next we have 144, which is my sad little broken shade I repressed, 307, and 137. The mattes feel pretty soft. You've got a bit of kickback to them, but they seem like the type of shadows that would be pretty easy to blend. Ooh, that's beautiful. And then for the last row, we have 403, which this shade looks so sparkly and beautiful. Like, that's definitely going on my eyes today. 131, which is a burgundy, and then 142, which is like an olive. Oh man, that shade is so pretty. Ooh. Ooh, those two look really nice too. Isn't that such a pretty color story? I'm honestly torn on what to do because everything looks so beautiful. There's so many looks I have in mind. I know like that purple is calling to me, but the greens look so good as well. Okay, so jumping into the eye look, I already primed my eyes with the Anastasia eye primer, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm just sitting here staring at the palette because it's so beautiful. I don't know what I want to do first, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and focus on the greens for the lid today just because I feel like those two are both so beautiful, and I don't know, I'm just gonna start and we'll see where it goes. So I'm starting off with the shade 144. And I'm going to start that off on my crease on the inner portion. I just picked up a little tiny bit just to see how this goes. Definitely tapping off the excess because there's a lot of kickback to this shade, but it could just be because I repressed it myself and it was definitely not a professional job. I just put a piece of paper towel down on it and I was like using all of my force with my thumb, so it's probably not pressed that great. I think that's blending really easily right off the bat. Just gonna keep packing it on though because I'm curious, ooh, how bright I can get it. I feel like that blended so fast for a green. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade 142 and I'm gonna start that off. Ooh, that's pigmented. I did not go in with that much on my outer V. Just kind of placing it down where I want it and then lightly feathering it in to the crease. That's a really pigmented olive green, but it's super green as well, like at the same time. All right, I'm gonna go into a fluffy blending brush that doesn't have pretty much anything on it and just lightly blend over that edge there. I think I might even go back in with a little bit more of that first green, just because I feel like I want to keep it super bright. And I feel like I could take it up a little bit higher so it shows through even when my eyes are open. I'm going to go ahead and take a touch of that olive shade and pop it along my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take the shade 307. I'm going to pop it on the middle of my lower lash line. I'm going in with just a tiny bit since this is a bigger kind of fluffy pencil brush. Just building it up rather than going in with a ton at one time. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the shade 136, pop that on the front of the lower lash line. So pretty. All right, now I'm going to go into the shade 137, and I'm going to go ahead and pop that on. Wow, that's pigmented. It's definitely more of like a thick metallic formula. I think I'm going to pop that more on the like outer portion of my eye right here, like the outer half. I know the name for that. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and take the shade 309 on that same brush. I'm not even going to bother wiping it off. Ooh, maybe I should have. Oh man, I just made that a mess. Wow. You see what I just did? And I'm going to pop that on the front portion of the lid here. I just figured it'll kind of mix with the blue that was on the brush and the green that was on the lid and kind of give a really pretty lighter color. I'm also going to dip into that shade with my pencil brush and use that as the inner corner as well. Focusing more on the side that I didn't already get dirty. I feel like I haven't been commenting just because I'm super focused on the look, but I am loving how it is turning out. I feel like it's really, really pretty. Everything is going well, no problems. So that looks nice. All right, so really quickly, I'm just gonna throw a black eyeliner in my waterline and tightline, throw on some mascara, and I'll be right back. So for highlighter today, I kind of want to do more of a really soft highlight. So I pulled out my Elsie Skin Reflector in the shade Pearly Glaze, which just looks like this. I typically just mix my brush in there and pick up a little bit of all the shades. Just gonna dust that on the tops of my cheekbones, just for a really, really soft glow today. For lips, I'm going to go into the Prada Beauty lipstick in the shade Victress. Okay, so this is the finished look, and I have to say, from my first little taste of We Makeup, I definitely am impressed. The shadows were so easy to use. I had barely any fallout. They blended super easy, blended quick, built up beautifully, and the shimmers look really, really stunning as well, so I absolutely love the look. If you'd like to see me do another look with this color story on camera, definitely let me know, because I can do that, especially when I get the small order that I made from We Makeup. So when that comes, I could do another look, just like a We Makeup look, even though it's just mascara and lipstick and lip liner that I ordered, if I remember correctly. But let me know if you want to see that. I definitely need to do a purple look with this next. So that's pretty much everything for today's video. Thank you again, Angie, for this gift. I really love it. And if you are all not subscribed to Angelica, I will have her channel linked in the description box. Definitely go check her out if you have not already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.